This particular video is to demonstrate the ultimate honer that we make and to show you some of the features about it. First I'm going to turn it on. It's a very quiet 1/4 horsepower motor, so I hope that you can hear it. You'll see that it runs very smooth. It's mounted using sealed and floating bearing bushing, so it's a very smooth operation with absolutely no maintenance. There are two pulleys, matching pulleys, one for the motor shaft, one for the mandrel shaft, and there are 3 steps, so you can control the speeds simply by stopping the motor, of course, and turning the belts onto the next pulley, making sure that you do it on each wheel. When you first get your Ultimate Honer, you're going to notice that the maple wheels, these profiles, which you read about on the website, are brand new, of course. These are rather dirty or used, and we'll just show you briefly how we get the wheels prepared and ready to hone or to polish. You're going to get a small bar of red compound with your honer, and I like to use that first because it's full of wax. It's a really waxy. Some people call this Jeweler Rouge, and I just put it on all the radiuses there. You can see the wheels turning red, and the reason I use that first is because it waxes and it applies to the wheel very easily. And then you can apply either the green compound, which is a little bit more aggressive, but because it's more aggressive, doesn't have that wax in it, or at least as much grease in it. Or you can use a gold or white or whatever. FlexCut makes a very nice gold one. So each one, it really doesn't matter. People just have personal choices. Okay, so just apply those on the wheels like that. And the same thing for the flat wheel when you want to do the outside profiles of your tools. And just apply the other. The speed that it's running at right now is the slowest. That's 850 RPM, and it also does 1350 and 2150. 1/4 horsepower motor, meets the safety standards, has their seal of approval on it. So all in all, it's a very good machine. We're all happy to offer it either mounted on the board like this, or you can also get it without the motor and put your own motor on it. We also sell the mandrels and everything separate too, as you'll see on the site. So I hope you enjoyed that, and we have another video that you can click on to see actual tools being used and polished.